Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals tutorials. Hello lovelies, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're not on my channel, you're so welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make henna oil for massive hair growth, So we're going to use grapeseed oil, 200 grams, and Nupa henna. So Nupa henna actually is so natural. It contains vitamin E, which helps to soften hair. The natural leaves of our plants are rich in proteins and oxidants that support healthy hair. So Nupa henna has total 10 ingredients, and all these ingredients are natural. There is no artificial or chemical additive in it. So Nupa henna has a healthy herbs which has been selected from the farms of India. These herbs are henna, brahim, shikakai, aloe vera, menthi, breakage, amla, neem, hibiscus, and jadamas. So brahim enhances the growth of hair. Shikakai is best as a natural cleanser, which also gives healthy shine to hair. So aloe vera also is a natural best moisturizer. If you've been on this channel, I love aloe vera very much because it has nutrients, and compounds which really promote hair growth. And Bringraj makes hair silky and soft. Amla is also a natural currant and is going to make your hair voluminous or voluminous. So neem also will fight dandruff and itchy scalp and scalp infections, and it will also treat lice, head lice, and eggs. Hibiscus is good. It will promote hair growth, and jatamas will prevent graying of hair. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. And to my 378 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and support. So let's get this channel to 500 subscribers, dear friends. So you need a pot. So we are going to do, we're not going to put it direct in the pan or a pot. We are going to do water bath on low heat. So henna actually will remove excess oil from the scalp and prevent dandruff. It has antifungal and microbial properties that cool down the scalp and reduce itching. Henna will condition your hair deeply, makes your hair healthy and strong. Henna also helps in balancing the pH level of your scalp and reduces oil production in the scalp that lead to hair problems. For thicker hair and longer hair, make sure that you use this oil because henna oil, it has tannins which makes your hair strong and help darken your hair. Like if your hair is graying prematurely, then henna is going to do wonders for your hair, without any toxic ingredients. And actually, as you may be aware, like graying is unavoidable and it's part of the process of aging. If you have, gray hair before you reach 30 years, then you can actually use henna just to help you to darken your beautiful crown. Yes, but you have to embrace it in whatever state it is. So you can actually strain your oil using a strainer or whatever gadgets that you have. So our oil is ready. At this point, we're straining it. Make sure that you get a fine strainer because you know what, these I use henna powder, which is very difficult to strain. So you need something very fine, when you are straining it. So friends, like this is the best oil because it has different herbs in it. So you can use this oil to pre-shampoo, for scalp massage, to seal in the moisture. You can add it to deep conditioners to seal in the moisture. A lot of uses. So in today's video, of course, I'm not going to share with you how I use it, but of course in one of the videos, yes, I'm going to share with you how to prepare with this best oil for hair growth. So that is how it looks like. Give this video a like and please subscribe to our channel. Want to reach a bigger audience and to grow this channel. So make sure that you subscribe, comment, share to friends whom you think they can benefit, and in groups. So that is the residue which has been removed, friends. Like, this was very effective. As you can see, you don't want that to be caught up in your hair. So our oil is so ready. We are going to package it. We've just gotten our bottle. Comment in the section below if you're going to try out this powerful oil. Yes, or if you have tried it before, you can actually comment in the section below. Or what is your takeaway from this video? Or what did you learn something new in this video? Comment in the section below, dear friends, and make sure that you label your oils. So like if you have different oils, it will be very difficult like to determine which one is which. Like in my case, I have different oils, as you may be aware. Like, I do formulate natural hair products and body products. So I make sure that I label my products. So we've labeled henna also, that we are not mistaken. Yes, this is a very important step, friends. Yes, so you can get these simple labels, in shops. Yes, so thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.